In this one, we're talking about isotypes. Vapor. Alright guys, so isotypes is an acronym for International System of Typographic Picture and Education. So pretty much, it's a way not only the government, but a lot of people display information to the public, which are usually batshit boring facts. So it kind of brings them like a new life or a new sense. It allows other people in society to examine new information and also engage them sort of in these boring facts. But yeah, it's pretty cool. The government uses it to sort of explain how they spend taxes. So they'll put one of these up because it's easy to explain and read. So pretty much it's almost like an alternative language besides it being verbal. So practically isotypes are like a picture graph, but they also have like usually information at the bottom or next to it explaining what is happening. But even someone as young as 7 could tell there's more cows, for example, in New South Wales than Tasmania, if it was like in a graph, because it's like a picture graph, so they like line up next to each other, so it's easy. But that also affects the legibility, because they usually round it up, or they're like half a cow, and there's a key at the bottom of the graph saying that maybe 1 cow equals 10,000 cows, so like half a cow. But really there's not 5,000 cows, there's 5,200. But yeah, so legibility is affected a little bit, but ultimately isotypes have been used for ages and they're still used today, like the government with taxes, and even in some senses like public signs and like bathroom signs, or like when you're on the highway and you see rest stop here, like it's sort of it leeches off the isotype sort of morals, because it's almost like a visual language rather than verbal. But a prime example of this is ice cream. For example, there's an isotype, which I'll show in about 2 seconds, that explains what countries eat the most or consume the most ice cream. Like I said, boring fact. However, it looks a bit nicer when there's pictures, and I guess it sort of brings it to life and people's attentions to it. So yeah, that's pretty much what isotypes is. Keep vaping, keep hitting it, keep smashing contacts, stay drill.